Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is my first video ever on YouTube. Excuse me, I'm trying to get over a cold, so my voice might be a little crackly. But it's just a video of me solving the Rubik's Cube, and it's just one of my skills that I have acquired over the years, and yeah, so here's the video. Okay, scrambling. Go. So if you want to hit that like button, that'd be nice. I'll probably do a tutorial series on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. If you guys want, if you could comment and tell me your thoughts on that, that'd be great. And so yeah, peace.